Okay, so this is percent proportion example 5 of our 5 videos of how to set up these problems. At a shelter, 15% of the dogs are puppies. So 15% goes with the puppies. There are 60 dogs at the shelter. How many are puppies? So we are trying to solve for how many are puppies. So getting our percent proportion ready. Right away, we see the 15%. So we know we're going to have 15 out of 100. So at a shelter, 15% of the dogs are puppies. Now, when I was reading this, I kind of added with the puppies the 15% that goes with it. So if 15% stand for the puppies, and then I look through my problem and I see that I'm trying to solve for how many are puppies, my variable stands for the number of puppies. And it needs to be beside 15% because 15% are puppies. So I'm just matching up here. There are 60 dogs at the shelter, so 60 total dogs, which I'm going to put beside my 100% because it's the total amount of dogs. So here I am, cross multiply, 100x. When I do 60 times 15, I'm going to get 900. Divide both sides by 100. And then x is coming out to 9 are puppies. And again, as for what to label this, my variable when I was going through, I did put with it number of puppies. When I look back at my problem, I see that the question is asking me to solve for the number of puppies. So going through this, trying to decide if my answer makes sense. We're only talking about 15% of the dogs at the shelter. So 15% of the total dogs. So total dogs is 60. Half of that would be 30 dogs. So I'm not talking about, I'm less than 50% here. So when I get a number that's lower than 30 puppies, 30 dogs being puppies, I know that makes sense because I am, 9 puppies is definitely smaller than getting 30 puppies. Also, when I go here, I could set up the fraction 9 puppies over 60 total. I could divide that out and get my 1500ths. Multiply that by 100 and get the 15% that represents the number that are puppies. So the answer to this problem is 9 puppies.